Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Musadiq and today we're going to talk about why we give RhoGAM to Rh negative mother and why we do the immunity screen for Rh negative mother and what is cord blood. So we give the RhoGAM to Rh negative mother to prevent the hemolytic disease of the newborns. It's because if the mom is Rh negative and the father is Rh positive, so there is a strong possibility that the baby can be Rh positive. So in that case, when the baby RBC cross the mother placenta to fetal maternal circulation, so the mother immune system can produce the antibodies against the baby blood, and it can cause hemolytic disease of the newborn or erythroblastosis fetalis that lead to stillbirth. So to prevent the HDN, that's why we give the RhoGAM to Rh negative mother to not produce the antibodies against the baby blood. So that's why we do the immunity screen to check the mom body that has already started making antibodies against Rh positive blood. And the immunity screen, first of all, we need to confirm if the mom is Rh negative, and if she is negative, we need to do the fetal screen to determine that how much RhoGAM we need to give them. If mom is Rh negative, so she is eligible for the RhoGAM. When baby get delivered, we need to do the cord blood screen. So we need to determine that what is the baby blood type and what is the Rh. If it's Rh negative, we need to confirm with the week D. And also we need to do the DAT testing and the cord blood to find out if there is any hemolysis or not. If you like this, subscribe for more.